Many of my friends ask for a healthy and tasty recipe. So I bring to you garlic beans, which is very easy to make and flavorful as well. The first step is to trim the beans. Line up the beans and cut off the tips of both the sides, and then cut the beans in half. Wash the beans very well and pat it dry. Add 2 teaspoon oil, 4 to 5 chopped garlic. Saute them until light brown. Then goes 500 gram fresh green beans, 1 sliced onion. Saute the whole thing on low to medium heat. Green beans are rich in vitamin K and calcium. This helps to maintain strong and healthy bones. The garlic beans in this way is one of my favorites. You can use blanched beans. In that case, take 3 cups of water in a bowl and boil it, and then add the green beans into it. When they are little soft, strain it and dip it into the cold water. Cover the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover the lid and saute for about a minute. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 small chunk of butter. Saute everything and give it a good mix. Cover the lid again and simmer for 7 to 8 minutes, stirring in between. Add 1 teaspoon roasted sesame seeds and stir for a minute or so. Well, I like the beans a little crunchy, so I have used them fresh. Transfer beans to serving dish and serve it warm. Sprinkle some roasted sesame seeds. It is looking so tempting. Prepare this easy and healthy recipe at home and share your feedback in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. Until then, bye.